beautiful people, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is good and doing best in their lives. So, today I thought of making a video about how we think about the mornings. And as mornings are the best part that I love about the day, and I'm most charged in the morning, I'm most energetic in the morning, and I'm most, motivated to do good work in the morning. That's why I'm filming my video in the morning in the natural light, because the morning natural light is just you can die for. I haven't yet just opened any tube light or any light or any artificial lights, because natural light is sufficient for you, and it makes you kind of happy, kind of, you feel good about it. I don't know, something is very 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 good about the natural light. You should always use natural light as much as possible. So coming back to the topic about how we feel the day, how we should run the day. I know most of the people hate mornings because we have made our day like that we have converted ourselves into night owls. So we feel very hard for us to get up in the morning, and they are like, just okay, let me sleep. We snooze the button and we just keep on sleeping. But trust me, if you don't do that, that would be the best decision you would make in your entire day. Because when you set aside your laziness and you want to get out of the bed and you feel excited, then you'll be very energetic and you will feel like, okay, I want to run this day by how I want to. So this is very 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 good technique, that do not snooze your button ever, not even once, because it will just spoil everything. So as we're talking about our busy lives, so I know everyone is busy in some or the other thing, and everyone is like having my life is very hectic. I just cannot bear to spend time in the activities that I like, because you have made a choice beforehand, because you have decided what you want to do and how you want to do. Then don't regret it later that, oh, I am getting, like, we do degrees, we do our colleges, we do our graduation, post graduation, super specialization, but are we happy and satisfied? Are we content after doing all of the thing? Okay, fine, I am a like super specialized doctor, or I am a very mtech, I am very phd, but are you really satisfied with what you have done? Are you happy? Are you happy from within? Then why are you regretting that I am having very busy life and I am like not getting enough time for myself? So this is what I'm talking about, that time that you should invest in yourself is the most important time, irrespective of what you do or you don't do. But you have to spend time with yourself, because you are the one whom you're spending your entire life with from within, and it should be like a very pure relationship. Very, so if you are only feeling bad about yourself, then what others will think? You are not able to control yourself, then how you are going to control others? So this is the first number of thing that I would like to tell you, that please do not feel guilty or bad about yourself on anything you have done, on anything you have done, any mistake you have done. You shouldn't be guilty. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be guilty to some extent. If you have murdered someone, or if you have done a very wrong thing, that's totally different. But we tend to get guilty about small and little things, that, oh, I should have done this before, I should have completed this before. So on these kind of things you shouldn't be guilty about, because these can be done and these can be replaced. So first, stop blaming yourself for the things that you can control. So coming back to the topic, I'm not saying a busy life is bad or a busy life is not necessary for the kind of world we are imagining and for the kind of the world we are living in. Busy life is the integral part, because we have to take care of ourselves, we have to take care of our family, we have to take care of our profession, we have to take care of our household chores. So we have to be busy, we have to be energetic, and we have to do and fulfill our duties. So but there is a way out there, and that is called a slow living thing. I'm not saying slow living to slow motion में नहीं करना है हमको कुछ भी. It's just to feel how you are feeling. The moment you realize that how you're feeling, you have a quick control over your thoughts, over your negative emotions, over your positive emotions, and you should be doing it. So for that, what do you need to do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So just take out 2 minutes or 3 or how many time, whatever time you get. Take a few minutes to just do nothing. And you can have anything. You can just have a cup of water, coffee, tea, green tea, cold drink, anything, whatever you like, and just hold it in your hands and just feel the warmth of this cup. Just feel it. Just do nothing and just feel the warmth. And you'll realize that you haven't done it before. It's just a silly thing, and it'll make you feel better. Well, the number 2 step is, you should, whenever you're chai peete hai, whatever we do, we just sip. We never taste how it tastes. We never focus on how it tastes. So whenever you're drinking some beverage or water or anything, I would suggest for food also, you just take a second to just feel how it's tasting. Like, you will realize that what the little things we are missing, and we are focusing on only the negative things. So number 3 tip, what I would do in a slow living kind of video would be, whenever you're holding this, we are feeling the warmth, we are feeling the taste. Number 3 thing we should be doing is observe just whatever is going around. Don't feel that, oh, मैं कुछ 2 मिनट के लिए अपना चाय पीने बैठा या बैठी और इतना शोर हो रहा है और लोग अभी मेरे को 2 मिनट चैन नहीं दे रहे. So you should just focus on that thing also. Like, it's morning, it's a busy road, the sound of traffic is coming, vehicles. So just focus on that noise and make it your music. And you'll realize that this is actually not a disturbing sound. So guys, it's not tough, and trust me, it works. Because when you realize and when you focus on little things in a day, you can spend your day very positively. And whenever you're feeling very negative, or whenever you're feeling very anxiety, whenever you're feeling like I'm not doing enough, or you think it's pathetic in everything, whenever any kind of negative emotion hits you, try this technique and it will definitely help you. So hope this video helps and makes you a bit positive. So with this video, we're gonna sign bye-bye, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm a new YouTuber. So help me grow my channel and subscribe if you haven't yet. Take care. Bye-bye.